This is a beauty. Model X. Sorry about It's okay. Oh, okay, let me just pull this out here. All right. As you can see, in the new Model X, it's a beauty. Very spacious. So this one is a 7-seater. 5, yeah, exactly. So there's 2 in the front, 3 in the back, and 2 all the way in the back. Really nice. The doors are open right now. Let's say I want to close the doors. I simply just close the doors. Okay, so that one closed, right? So I'm going to show you this one as well. The Falcon door is going to close. I'm just going to click on this. It's going to close. And watch it close. Oh, sorry, I just clicked on the open button. Okay, I'm gonna click on close now. And it's gonna close. Same thing for the passenger side. I'm just gonna click on this button. And the door closes. Same thing on the driver's side. I'm gonna click on this button. And it closes. Amazing, right? With just a touch of the screen, the doors are closing. Alright, and so to start the car, let's talk about that. Okay, so to start the car, all you need to do is simply just press brake pedal. That gives you instructions. Press brake pedal to shift gears. So I press on the brake. It says wear a seatbelt. Okay, let me just do that first. So I'll do that with one hand. Sorry about that. Okay, seatbelt is on. Now I'm gonna press the brake again. And now it's in neutral. So I'm just gonna put it on park right now. And there you go. We're ready to start driving. Okay, to start this car, to start driving this car, there's no like gear shift or anything you need to do. Simply, it's on park right now. So as soon as you switch it to drive, you need to press on the accelerator. You need to press on the accelerator to get the car to move. Without, like, even if I put it on drive, like here, I'm gonna put it on drive. Like the car, it doesn't move. Like my foot. Well, you can't really see right now, but my foot is not even on the accelerator. So the car is still stationary. It hasn't moved yet. It only starts moving when you put your foot on the pedal. So when I put my foot on the pedal now, see, now the car starts moving. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to put it back on brake. And the brake button, it's right here. It's just right here. You just click on this. You just click on this and it goes on to parking. If you want to switch to reverse, you push this upwards. So let me show you. It's on reverse now. Reverse, it has one camera in the back and there's 2 cameras on the side. Oh, they're not showing right now. Not sure why. Okay, but when I was on the street, it showed one camera here and it showed two cameras in the back here. So you can see both sides, which is really good visual in terms of parking. And then when you want to put it on drive, you can just press down and now it's in drive mode. You can close this, the map. Let me just put this on brake. Okay. So navigation is already in the Tesla, so wherever you want to go, you just put in the address and the GPS is already inside here. So it's super convenient to drive with having a GPS right in the screen.